How to convert a string with comma-delimited items to a list in Python.
Like this.
The following Python code will turn your string into a list of strings.
Just to add on to the existing answers, hopefully, you'll encounter something more like this in the future. But what you're dealing with right now, go with it Cameron's answer.
I don't think you need to. In Python you seldom need to convert a string to a list, because strings and lists are very similar. Changing the type. If you really have a string which should be a character array, do this. Not changing the type. Note that strings are very much like lists in Python. Strings have accessors, like lists. Strings are iterable, like lists. TLDR. Strings are lists. Almost.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.